In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new folders in Dropbox. Whether you're organizing your work documents, keeping track of family photos, or just managing your digital life, creating folders in Dropbox is a simple but incredibly useful skill. So let's dive right in and get started with these straightforward steps. First things first, you'll want to head over to Dropbox.com in your favorite web browser. Once you're there, simply sign into your account. If you haven't already, now is the time to grab your username and password. This is your gateway to accessing all the files and folders you've stored in the cloud. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to pause here and set one up so you can continue with the steps. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Dropbox. Now, look towards the top of the page. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Create. This is your next stop, so go ahead and click on that button. A drop-down menu will appear presenting you with several options. From this menu, you're going to choose Folder. Selecting this option tells Dropbox that you want to create a new folder to store your files. Now it's time to get a bit creative. A dialog box will pop up asking you for a name for your new folder. Think about the purpose of this folder. Is it for work, a personal project, or perhaps a group of vacation photos? Whatever it is, type in a name that makes sense to you and will be easy to remember. It's worth noting that a well-thought-out folder name can help you keep your digital workspace tidy and easy to navigate. After deciding on a name and entering it into the dialog box, you'll want to proceed to the final step. Click on Create. With that single click, a brand new folder is born, ready to be filled with all the files you'd like to place under its digital roof. Now your folder will appear in your list of files and folders on the Dropbox homepage, ready for you to move or upload documents, photos, and other items into it. That's all there is to it. Creating folders in Dropbox is an effective way to keep your files organized and easily accessible. With just these few simple steps, you can start managing your digital life more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more of our guides for other useful tips on mastering digital tools. Until next time, happy organizing!